Welcome to Thames World. This is a 360 video. If you're viewing from your mobile, it is best to turn your mobile to landscape, swipe left, right, up, down to view the content in 360, or move your mobile likewise. Or if you're on your computer, press W for up, A for left, D for right, and S for down. Enjoy the episode. So this is early morning in Bissau, very early morning. And if you all are watching, yeah, I came here with Tome. Yeah, early traffic jam. We came here to buy blocks. Because Tome is a site supervisor. So when you come to Bissau, you can't get Tome, he's working on the site. But this is how they build blocks. You'll be amazed what the hot sun can do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So they do 8. 8 per pound. Yeah. So people come here and you buy blocks. There's the machine over there. I can't open the machine. But yeah, the machine compacts it, presses it, they drop it. It's in the sun. Sun is 40 degrees. And I think they let it cure for a few days. Oh, these are the ones that's cured. So that's yesterday. And then you have my leg. Yeah, day before yesterday. So what people buy, I may be wrong, you know, but I know people, they're buying these ones today. These are the broken ones. A little bit harder. Yeah, it's harder. I know this is going to be cheap. No? Shit. Oh, I thought the brown one was going to be weak. I was wrong. Just wrong. Yeah. That's how you buy your bricks. You can make them yourself, because in some other countries they make them yourself, and some parts here they make them themselves, but being that this is the capital, people come and they buy. So it's one there, 8.15. It's 8.15. So everybody got here 8 o'clock. Let me go and harass Tome. Because Tome and we're going to speak no English, no Creole. I have to hold the camera funny so they do not know me. Ah, this is the print. Ah. So they pour it in here. Then the machine, that thing presses it down. Compact it. This thing here. Then they release the bottom and it drops out. And there goes your 8 blocks. Good business. Tome. Hey.
rectangle there.
What? Eh?
See.
Now, factory. Behind the factory. And the Guinea block. Bro. No straight.
No?
Quando block paga?
Ok.
Quando blocco paga?
Quando blu?
Sì. Quanto paga?
250.
Quanto dinero?
87.500.
Oh, 10
87.
Okay.
Pronto.
So do you get it from?
Pronto. Sì.
Do you get it from? There you get it from Tome with my covert filming because you see everybody was watching me. They're like, what's that thing in his hand? So he's buying 250 blocks. I may be wrong. And it's 18 million. 18,500 safer. 18,000. I think that's what he said. 18,000. But yeah, I'm trying to get some money to buy some breakfast now. What has money for breakfast? Only 50 safer. They get the idea of this now. I dropped some money. So we come now to pick up Tome blocks. So this is the house here. Tome is in charge of building. Bom dia.
Como gostar?
Está bom?
Vedete? Com'è il ravo?
Tome.
Final, estamos en medalha.
But it's the block to the house. Up high. Give you a tour of the house. Balcony. Step to the balcony. This is going to be the living room. There's bedroom with toilet. One bedroom with toilet. Closet. That's one bedroom. Another bedroom with toilet. Very high roof. High ceiling. Bom dia. So that's two. Then you have these rooms. This room and this room and this room would share this toilet. So that's 4 rooms. 4 rooms. And this is the kitchen. The kitchen and where you store your stuff for the kitchen. And although in Africa, a lot of us, we have homes, but we still sometimes like cooking outside. So this is going to be covered, and you're going to have a veranda here. So they will still come and cook on their coal pot and stuff like that, because it tastes better than when you cook on a stove. And whoever you all is economically, whatever you want to call yourself, we do not care. Because you saying people have big cars. We don't even have big cars here. Yeah, so this is the kitchen. Storeroom. Then here you pass to the living room. So this is the dining area and the living room. Ah, Shiza, Tome never told me this part. Ah, he never. I don't remember what that is. Let me go and have a look and see if my brain can figure it out. I think this is the garage. Health and safety, the hell with that. Yeah, so this is the exterior. Back around to the back of the kitchen. 1 bedroom. Yeah, there you have the house. And the price of this house, you may ask? The price of this house between 40 to 50,000 US. Yes, let that sink into your head. It's a big house. Between 40 to 50,000 US for this house. Oh, they're playing music. Let me go the other way. They want copyright. Let me talk. Wiki. And then you can have barbecue pork. Oh, that's a wild one. She's got the black and white gray stripes. Yeah. Yeah, so this is your house. 40 to 50,000, and this house is yours. Built from scratch. Ugh.